Cryptocurrency 101. Mastering the Basics of Digital Assets. Welcome to Business with Joe. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll cover the basics, from understanding what cryptocurrencies are to how you can invest, trade, and potentially profit from these digital assets. Part 1. Understanding cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the fundamentals. 1. Definition. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, they operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. 2. Blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network. It ensures transparency, security, and immutability. Part 2. Popular cryptocurrencies. Now, let's explore some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Introduced in 2009, Bitcoin is the pioneer and remains the most valuable cryptocurrency. 2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum, with its smart contract functionality, has expanded the use of blockchain beyond currency. 3. Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and others. Each cryptocurrency serves a unique purpose, whether it's facilitating faster transactions or offering enhanced privacy. Part 3. How to buy and store cryptocurrencies. Now that we know the basics, let's discuss how to get your hands on cryptocurrencies. 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. 2. Wallets. After purchase, store your cryptocurrencies in digital wallets, hardware wallets for security or software wallets for accessibility. Part 4. Risks and challenges. It's crucial to be aware of the risks associated with cryptocurrencies. 1. Volatility. Prices can be highly volatile, leading to significant fluctuations in value. 2. Security concerns. Cryptocurrencies are susceptible to hacking and fraud. Secure your investments with robust security measures. Part 5. Investment and trading strategies. Now, let's discuss strategies for investing and trading cryptocurrencies. 1. Long-term investing. HODL, hold on for dear life, is a popular strategy where investors hold on to their assets for an extended period. 2. Day trading. Involves making short-term trades to capitalize on price fluctuations. Part 6. Regulatory landscape. Understanding the regulatory landscape is crucial in the crypto world. 1. Regulations vary. Cryptocurrency regulations differ globally. Stay informed about the legal status in your region. 2. Evolving landscape. Governments are continually adapting their stance on cryptocurrencies, influencing the market. And there you have it, a basic guide to cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, remember to stay informed, secure your investments, and approach the crypto world with caution. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Thanks for joining us at Business with Joe.